blood for me on Calvary. Yes, He shed His blood